What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to log in Grammarly. So let's get started guys. So starting off, how you can do is just go to your web browser and just type grammarly.com, and then you'll be in this particular platform, and over here you'll have this option which says login. Just go over there and you'll be in this particular account profile, and here you'll be having different options to log in. So I have already my account over here, so just I'll press over here. You can choose sign in with different account and all this, just choose it, and it will take some time. It's loading, and that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.